Church's chicken. Which is better? Church's chicken or Popeyes chicken? Or KFC? That's the question of the day. Babe, which is better?
What, Ari?
What are you doing?
I'm watching my show.
Watching your show on a little phone when you got a big TV right here? What are you doing? You've been crying all day. You cry, baby?
Well, yeah? I wanted to eat pizza roll.
Yeah. What? And do what? Run to the store and get ice cream. Oh my gosh. Alright, well, today we didn't do anything but sleep because we've been busy all week. So it made us tired. So today was our day of rest. Alright, y'all. We are driving around the parking lot. And why is that? Because my son only falls asleep when we're driving in the car. So, it's kind of, you know, our way of putting him to sleep. But we're actually, we just came back from the store, from Walmart. So, got some ice cream because we were craving ice cream. Or at least my wife was craving ice cream.
Yeah, there's ice cream.
Okay, sit down, Drina. As you can see, she likes to stand up and not put her seatbelt on. Because we're really safe like that, you know, when we drive around the parking lot. Anyways, oh man, what is that? Just checking the mail. Since we love checking the mail, we only do it once every other week. Like seriously. That way, that's why whenever we check the mail, we have like 50 mails in our hands. But anyways, today, nothing went on besides just resting because this whole week we've just been filming and going out and doing stuff. But now we can finally rest, and today was the day of rest. Even though tomorrow's Sunday, today was like our Sunday, and tomorrow will be another day of rest. So pretty much we have 2 days of rests. We're just that good, you know? Anyways, alright.